So good day, sir. So, so in this video, I will demonstrate how to scan vulnerabilities using Burpsuit. So in this, this activities Burpsuit scanner and report regeneration. So perform a vulnerability scan, generate a report, and demonstrate. Oh no. So here is the vulnerabilities I scanned. So all issues founded by the scanner. So as you can see, there are high severity values issues, and also we have the medium and the low, and also we have the info. So the high is clear text submission of password. So impact transmitting password without encryption exposes them to interception by attackers via man in the middle or the MITM attacks. Fix and force HTTPS for all login related pages. Second is the email address that disclose. Impact. Exposure of email address can lead to spam, phishing, or social engineering attacks. And how to fix this, avoid exposing emails in responses unless necessary. And the medium, and I don't know why there's no medium here. I think there's that. And the low severity information issues. So cross-domain referral leakage, impact sensitive URLs, examples with tokens or PII, data refer header to public to third-party sites. Fix, use the referral policy header with no referral or strict origin. Second, strict transport security not enforced. Impact, without HTTP strict transport security or the HSTS, users may be vulnerable to MIT attacks. And second is strict transport security not enforced. Impact, without HTTP strict transport HTTPS, users may be vulnerable to MIT attacks via HTTP. And third is content security policies or the CSP not enforced. Impact, lack of CSP makes your site vulnerable to XSS and data injection attacks. How to fix, define a strong CSP header to restrict resources. The browser is allowed to load. Fourth is unencrypted communication. Impact, communications over HTTP are not secure and may be intercepted. And how to fix this is enforce HTTP site worldwide and redirect HTTP traffic. And the fifth is HTML does not specify charset. So the impact is without a specified charset, browsers may be interpret characters incorrectly, potentially leading to security issues like XSS or the cross-site scripting. And how to fix, add meta charset QTF minus 8 dash 8 to HTML head. So that's it. So this is my website.